It is night now. The light is soft.
The day is over.
We feel sleepy.
Milk is ready.
We sit calmly.
We are ready.
Clean hands, feel good. Listen carefully.
The story is nice.
Y así, el pequeño conejito volvió a su madriguera, cansado pero feliz, soñando con zanahorias.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the whispering woods, looking for honey.
Did he find it?
He did. They snuggled closer together, safe and warm in their little nest high up in the tallest tree. And so the little bear wandered through the whispering woods until he found the warmest, softest cave. And so the little bear wandered through the forest until he found the warmest cave. It was finally time to sleep.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the warmest, coziest cave, perfect for sleeping.
The little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the warmest honey. The moon. And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods, searching for the brightest star to wish upon.
And so the little mouse, brave despite his size, whispered to the great dragon, "Don't be afraid."
The moonbeams stretched across the meadow, tucking the sleepy flowers into bed one by one.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the biggest, sweetest honey tree he had ever seen.
Yes, that's the little dragon. He looks sleepy too, doesn't he? Time to close the book now.
The moon smiled down at the sleepy creatures, whispering, "Good night, my little friends, until tomorrow."
It's so nice just spending time together like this.
It really is the best part of the day.
I'm sleepy.
Look right here, buddy. The dragon wasn't scary at all. He just needed a friend. The little bear closed his eyes tight, dreaming of honey. It's time for you to sleep now too, my love.
Want another strawberry for your parfait?
Yes, please.
Looks perfect, honey. Great job.
And so the little bear wandered deeper into the woods until he found the sweetest honey he had ever. And so the little bear wandered through the woods until he found the brightest berry he had ever seen. And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the sweetest honey he had ever tasted. And the big green dinosaur roared his gentle roar. "Look, right there. You're getting sleepy, little one. Time for bed soon." And then the little bear found the biggest jar of honey he had ever seen.
Look, Papa, look.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the biggest jar of honey he had ever seen.
All right, team. Great job cleaning up. Time for bed now.
And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the sweetest honey he.
When the moon rose high, the little dragon closed his eyes, dreaming of tomorrow's adventures.
They sailed across the shimmering sea, guided by the moonlight, until they reached the quiet island. And the brave knight finally reached the dragon's castle.
Is he gonna fight it, Papa?
We'll find out tomorrow. It's time for bed. And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods, searching for the sweetest berries before winter came. And so the brave little dragon finally found his way home, just as the moon began to rise over the whispering woods. The moonbeam stretched across the sky, touching the sleepy clouds good night. It whispered,
And so the little bear went fast asleep, dreaming of honey.
He looks funny when he sleeps.
and so the little bear wandered deep into the woods, searching for the sweetest berries, until he found the... And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods, until he found the warmest, coziest cave of all. And the little bear waved goodbye to the moon, knowing that tomorrow would bring a brand new adventure.
Okay, roll the dice and see if you can land on the bonus square.
I got it. 6.
Look at that silly squirrel climbing the tree.
He's going really high, Dad.
He is, isn't he? Higher than the clouds.
Try this mango, sweetie. It's very ripe.
It's so good, Mama.
You really like that, don't you, Munchkin?
And the little dragon flew higher than ever before.
Look, sweetie. That's the highest mountain in the kingdom.
The little bear was very sleepy. He snuggled deep into the warm blankets, dreaming of honey and sunshine. And so the little bear wandered deep into the woods until he found the sweetest honey. And so the little bear wandered through the woods until he found the warmest cave, ready for a long winter's nap. They searched high and low until they finally found the hidden grove, sparkling under the moonlight.
And so the brave little robot whirred and clanked, finally reaching the top of the highest mountain.
They snuggled closer on the big, comfy couch, feeling safe and loved as the stars began to twinkle outside. Look there, the shimmering scales of the last dragon. He promised to watch over the kingdom while everyone slept. Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived a gentle dragon who loved to eat marshmallows more than anything.
I found it.
Great job, sweetie. Where does this one go, buddy?
Ooh, snacks.